Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app and give the permissions. Right now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to the settings in the right upper corner. Let's tap on them, and the second row is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option you'd like to use. I will choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. After getting back, I cannot see any kind of information that we've got the timer set, but that's okay. Simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, of course you can turn this option off. Just go to the settings again and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.